The 2018 Toyota Prius wins our psyches with its fuel effectiveness and low running expenses. Our hearts are an alternate story. The 2018 Toyota Prius discreetly walks on this year, truly and allegorically. Very little has changed from a year ago, past a bigger touchscreen and top-level models and Prius Prime module forms. The 2018 Prius is 2 years expelled from an aggregate update and hitting its fuel-effective walk. Its trump card is fuel proficiency. Almost every segment on the auto serves that ace. It gains a 6.2 on our general scale on account of its superlative effectiveness and security, on the off chance that 52 mpg consolidated, or better, in each model doesn't look great to you. We don't know whether what's left on the Prius will either. We separate the Prius into two flavors: Prius Prime, which is the module half-breed, and Prius Plain, our name, not theirs. The standard Prius is offered in Prius One, Prius Two, Prius Two Eco, Prius Three, and Prius Four trim levels, the last two offering visiting choices with a couple of more comforts. The Prius Two Eco cuts weight for better mileage evaluations. The Prius Prime is offered in Plus Premium and Advanced trim levels. The Prius Prime looks better to our eyes, if simply because it smooths over the stilted edges from the Prius Plain. There are numerous edges and shapes in the Prius face, flanks, and fanning. It's a scatter of lines wrapped around the notable lift-back shape that the Prius has generally cornered. Inside, it's also occupied yet fortunately updated from active generations. The execution takes after an indistinguishable rationale from it generally has a cheap inline-4 cooperated with batteries for greatest mileage. The aggregate framework yield is just 121 torque, entrusted with spurring in excess of 3,000 pounds of mass. Its transmission, guiding, and braking organize effectiveness, and we're fine with that. The Prius doesn't claim to be whatever else. Decide on the Prius Prime and its greater module batteries oblige up to 25 miles of all-electric driving. Far not exactly a Chevy Volt, yet sufficiently likely for urban drives to work. The inside is better this time around for true blue seating for full estimate grown-ups and some speck of solace. The liftback manages more freight limit than ordinary vehicles, in excess of 27 cubic feet in many cases. The Prius Plain ostensibly situates 5, albeit 4 will fit better. The Prius Prime doesn't offer a back seat bump, it's only 4 as it were. Toyota's standard suite of cutting-edge security highlights, which was included a year ago, supplements a great crash test score. Government analyzers give the Prius a 5-star general rating, and the IIHS calls it a top safety pick.